guys, welcome to my channel, Life in Elle Mode, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. The first unboxing we're going to be doing is this Mariah Elizabeth unboxing thing, and it's just like this little mystery box, and it has all these little plushies, and yeah, let's get to the unboxing. Just gotta peel off this. And there's a little tab here, so I'm guessing all of that. You can get all of these. You can get this there's 3 dinosaurs, one like little monster, a kitty. Looks like, I think this is George. And then like this little air strawberry thing. I'm hoping for this little yellow dinosaur. Let's see. Oh, ripped it a little bit. Oh, I got George. So cool. This is really good quality, and it's really soft. There's this little collector's guide, I'm guessing. Oh, you can read its like personality, I'm guessing. Georgie. Our beloved pineapple duck hybrid Georgie has undergone a magical metamorphosis, emerging as a radiant rainbow of cheerfulness. With his vibrant hues and friendly hello, Georgie spreads joy wherever he waddles. That's a really cool one. What's that down there? He's super soft, well stuffed. This is him. I really like how it's not just like, some of it's like embroidered. And yeah, I think it's really good. Mariah Elizabeth. So yeah, this is Georgie. Put that right there. And I do have a second box, so we're gonna open that. I hope we don't get any duplicates, and if we do, I'll obviously give them to one of my friends if they want. That down there. It's hard to open. Same characters, same everything. Oh my gosh! We got one of the little blue dinosaurs. This one is, let me see if I draw this one. This one is Derp. Derp is the worst complicated word of Derp charm with splash. I skipped the word. Charm with a splash of cuteness and rainbow tummy to match. So I guess this is Derp. And I really like the little spots on his belly and the rainbow mane. He's again really soft, and they're both so cute. They go together so well. Awesome. And I'm gonna keep one of these behind. Oh, there you go. So that was Mariah Elizabeth, and the next one we're gonna be doing. This is my first Pop Mart. I've never gotten Pop Mart before, and by the way, I got all of these mystery boxes off of Amazon. And this is the Winter Symphony School Panda plush keychain box from Pop Mart. So let's get right into it. There's this little tab, so we're gonna pull that. I've never opened a box from them before, so I'm really excited. Now look at the card. Oh, I'm hoping for Rhapsody, the little pink one, the one on the box. Song of Snow, or Ode to Coco, but I like all of them, and that's gonna be a secret. Okay, let's see. You guys look first. What did I get? Oh my gosh, I got Song of Snow, I'm pretty sure. Is that it? Yeah, Song of Snow. So cute. Oh my gosh, and they're so fluffy. Has all those little scars. Here's the keychain. Awesome. So cool. This little like pearl hat. So cool. Oh my gosh, I love this. Has a little vinyl face, so. Oh, and I get a little card. School Panda Winter Symphony. This is the plush. Even cuter in real life. Oh, and their eyes are supposed to move. They do. I'm gonna like make her cross-eyed. I think that's really cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Next Pop Mart box, I got 2 because I thought I would really like this series. Same people, I'm hoping for Rhapsody, and I already got Song of Snow, so let's see it. This is the next one. You guys look so funny. Oh, did I leave that open? Top. That open. Did I get the same one? Dang it, it's a duplicate, but that's okay. Still really cute, and I'll give this one to my friend. And next one, I really wanted to get some stuff from Mart. So I decided to get this Powerpuff Girls Crybaby Mart box. I really want bunny bubbles, any of the bunnies, and then bubbles. So let's see. I do a little bit of ASMR. There's a little pull tab. That was a good key. Double the card. Or the secret. The secret or the good. Oh, I feel this is a bunny. Which one did I get? Oh, yeah. Oh, this isn't a bunny. I was feeling the bow. Go on the box. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Has a little clip. So cute. And they're supposed to attach, but I didn't get a second one of this, but so cute. Was supposed to get a little card with it. Yeah. Here's the card. Good. Okay, I'm gonna scoot these over. Next thing, I found this on Amazon. It's called Spring Limited Edition Pop It Pets. And it says inside this bag you get 5 teeny Pop It pets, 5 trading cards, 5 stickers, 1 collector's grid, 1 keychain, equals 17 surprises. So let's open it. Oh. I don't know if there's a rare one or tabloid, but here's all the surprises. Open first. It says so. Open it first. Oh my gosh. We got the little bunny Pop It keychain thing. And then a sticker. A trading card. And yeah, that was the first one. Is there one that says open second? Nope. So I guess we'll go in with this one that has a butterfly on it. Looks cool. This guy. So far we've just gotten this bunny. I don't know where the collector's guide is, but this is like a purple glittery mold. It's super tiny, but then a little collector's thing. And a little thingy. Next one, it has a flower. Actually, this one's big. This one's a big snake. Little tie-dye snake. This one's called Miss Hissy. Oh, this one was called Molanda. And then this one was called Mary Poppins. Or Hoppins. And then it comes with a little sticker. Yeah. So that was the next third one. So technically in total we've gotten 9 surprises. Next one, we got our first keychain to hook something up with. So I'm guessing you just hook it onto here. Oh. Yep, this is it. There's a little thing on the back. I don't know what that is. And then there's the next one, this chocolate bag kind of thing. It has a cover on it. This one's a little bit fun. This one's a guy with a beard. He looks like a farmer, and he has like a little beard. And this one's called Farmer Frank. And he has a little sticker. Gotta get the beard in there. And let's see. This is the next one. Open it up. And we got the whole set. No duplicates. I really like this one. This one's a fox. Called it. This is Foxy. And we got a sticker. And nothing else in here. I love the presentation. So like you. So that was everything that I got in my unboxing. Just for a recap, in Skull Panda, we got Sadly, a duplicate, but that's okay. They're both really cute. We got Song of Snow 2 times, but that's okay. This was the one I really wanted. And then we got Blossom. Only one time can we have one box, but that's okay. And then we got Mariah, Elizabeth, Georgie, and Derp. And that was my unboxing, everybody. Bye, everybody.